Hello YouTube, how's it going out there? This is your boy Lewis, glad to be here as always. Now in today's episode, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to download Windows themes, okay? As you can see, my computer has the default theme that it comes with Windows 10, and as you can see, it looks pretty boring and dry, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to spice it up a little bit, alright? So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is the page that I wanted to go ahead and show you. It's called windowsthemepack.com. And as you can see right here, it has the option right here to go ahead and search for the theme right here. It has a couple of views right here. It has the grid view and the list view. Or you can definitely go ahead and search for the theme that you want right here. And as you can see right here, the theme packs are available for Windows 10, 8.1, Windows 8, and Windows 7 as well, okay? Now right here on the left hand side, it has the different categories of themes that you can go ahead and look for, okay? So you can definitely find something that you want, I can guarantee you. All right, so let's go into this particular section right here, nature and places. All right, now right here in the nature and places section, you have all of these themes right here that you can go ahead and download. All right, so you can definitely go ahead and find something that you like, and I can guarantee you. Now right here on the right hand side, you have more pages for that particular category, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick one. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this one, the Scotland theme, okay? And right here you can go ahead and kind of preview it. So if that's something that you like, you can definitely go ahead and download it, okay? Alright, so after you kind of preview it for a little bit, you know, if that's the one that you want, you know, right here, if you come down a little bit, it gives you the option right here. It has the link to go ahead and download it for Windows 10, 8, and 8.1, or if you're still running Windows 7, you can definitely go ahead and download it for Windows 7, okay? Since I'm running Windows 10, I'm gonna go ahead and pick that option right there. And as you can see right here, in the bottom left hand corner, that's the theme right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and double click on it, and then it takes you to the themes area there in your operating system. You double click on it, that should go ahead and install the theme. There you go. So as you can see, it definitely looks a lot better. You know, it has a different view to it, different you know, it has a lot better, you know, look to it, so than it did before, because before it definitely looked really dry just with the Windows 10 logo on it. So alright, that's gonna be my time for this one. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Alright, so please go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will see you here in the next video. Thanks a lot.